Welcome to a new video. I will quickly show you how you can generate your WhatsApp link to share with a title. What we are going to do is go to where it says in Spanish crear WhatsApp link. You can see in the description of the video. Select here and you slice to here. Put your number. In my case, you can write here and create the link, copy the link, go back and go to the second and personality bureau links here. This page is paid. This have a subscription, or if you pay the subscription, go to create new link, paste link and title, and that's all. Your link is created. And that's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.